Want to make money while you sleep? It's the ultimate dream. Waking up, checking your phone, and seeing you've earned money overnight. That's the sound of true financial freedom, a life where your income isn't tied to the hours you put in. For decades, this dream of passive income seemed reserved for a select few. Investors, real estate moguls, best-selling authors. It felt like an exclusive club. But what if I told you the doors to that club are being blown wide open? What if the key to this lifestyle is now available to anyone with an internet connection? The year is 2025, and the rules of wealth creation are being rewritten. We're living through a technological revolution as profound as the internet. The old rules of business and marketing are evaporating. The traditional path, a stable job, a slow corporate climb, is no longer the only or even the safest route to security. Relying on a single income source is riskier than ever. The world is moving at lightning speed, and those who don't adapt risk being left behind. But with this great change comes even greater opportunity. This disruption isn't something to fear. It's a once-in-a-generation chance to build new income streams and design the life you've always wanted. The catalyst for this monumental shift? Two simple letters. AI, artificial intelligence. I'm not talking about sci-fi robots. I'm talking about practical, accessible AI tools available right now. These aren't just novelties, they are powerful engines for creation, automation, and monetization. Think of AI as your personal team of super talented assistants working for you 24/7, an expert copywriter who never gets writer's block, a graphic designer generating stunning visuals in seconds, a business strategist analyzing market trends while you sleep. This is the power AI puts directly into your hands, leveling the playing field and allowing individuals to compete with large corporations. Now you might be thinking, this sounds great, but isn't AI incredibly complicated? Don't I need to be a programmer? That's the biggest misconception. The beauty of the tools we're about to show you is that they were designed for everyone. They are built with intuitive, user-friendly interfaces. If you can write an email or use a social media app, you have all the technical skills you need to get started. The barrier to entry has never been lower. This isn't about learning to code, it's about learning to direct your new AI partner to bring your ideas to life. And that's exactly why we made this video. We're not just giving you a list of names, we're giving you a roadmap. For each of the 5 tools, we'll break down what it is, how it works, and most importantly, show you real-world examples of how people are using it to generate real income. We'll explore different business models, from creating digital products to launching automated YouTube channels to building niche affiliate sites. We'll give you actionable steps and pro tips so you can start implementing these strategies immediately. This is your masterclass in leveraging AI for financial gain in 2025. We've spent countless hours researching and testing to curate the absolute best. These are the 5 AI tools making the biggest waves and creating the most significant opportunities for passive income right now. Each one is a game changer, but when you combine them, the possibilities become exponential. So make sure you stick with us to the end, because our number 1 pick might just surprise you, and it has the potential to be the most profitable of them all. Are you ready to step into the future of income? Let's dive in. 5 AI tools making people money in 2025. All right, let's kick things off with our first game-changing AI tool. Have you ever had a brilliant idea for a video, a concept you just knew would connect with people, only to be stopped dead in your tracks by the sheer complexity of actually making it? The script writing, the filming, finding the right B-roll, the hours spent wrestling with complicated editing software. It's a massive barrier for so many potential creators. What if you could skip all of that? What if you could go directly from idea to a fully finished, polished video in a matter of minutes? That's not a far-off dream. It's the reality offered by our first tool, InVideo AI. So what exactly is InVideo? Think of it as your personal video production studio, powered by an incredibly sophisticated AI. It's a revolutionary text-to-video platform designed to do all the heavy lifting for you. You start with a single, simple instruction, a prompt describing the video you want to create. From that one sentence, InVideo's AI springs into action. It doesn't just find a few clips, it generates a complete script, records a natural-sounding voiceover, sources high-quality, relevant stock footage and images from a massive library, and even selects and syncs background music to fit the mood. It builds an entire video from the ground up instantly. The process is so straightforward, it almost feels like magic. Let's walk through it. It all begins with your idea. You open InVideo and you're met with a simple text box. This is where you give the AI its instructions, and you can be specific. Don't just say, make a video about coffee. Try something like, create a 3-minute YouTube video explaining the differences between Arabica and Robusta coffee beans, aimed at beginners, with an energetic and informative tone. The more detail you provide, the better your initial result will be. Once you hit generate, the AI takes over. In the background, it's analyzing your prompt, outlining a logical script structure, writing the narration for each scene, and then scouring millions of premium stock media clips to find the perfect visuals to match the words. It selects an AI voice that fits the tone you requested and lays down the audio track. Within just a few minutes, you're presented with a complete first draft. It's not a template, it's a fully formed video, ready to watch. But here's the most important part. You are in complete control. InVideo provides a super intuitive, command-based editor. Don't like a particular clip the AI chose? Just type change this clip to a drone shot of a coffee plantation. Want to rephrase a sentence in the script? Simply edit the text, and the AI will regenerate the voiceover for that section instantly. You can change the music, adjust the pacing, add your own branding, and fine-tune every single element until it's perfect. It combines the speed of AI with the creative control of a human editor, without the steep learning curve. The possibilities here are virtually endless. For aspiring YouTubers, this is a goldmine. You can create top 10 lists, historical documentaries, science explainers, or travel guides without ever picking up a camera. Imagine you run a marketing agency. You can now produce high-quality promotional videos, social media ads, and product explainers for clients in a fraction of the time and cost. Educators can transform dense lesson plans into engaging visual presentations. Let's take a practical example. Say you're a real estate agent. You could create a video titled, 5 Essential Tips for First-Time Homebuyers in Austin, Texas. The AI would generate a script, find visuals of Austin neighborhoods, happy families, and financial documents, and create a professional video you can share on your social media and website. And this brings us to monetization, because creating content is great, but building a business from it is even better. With these videos, the path to revenue is clear. The most direct method is affiliate marketing. If you create a video on the best budget laptops for college students, you can fill your YouTube description with affiliate links to each laptop you feature. Every time someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. As your channel grows, you'll become eligible for the YouTube Partner Program, earning ad revenue directly from the views your videos generate. And of course, you can use these videos as powerful marketing tools to drive traffic to your own products, courses, or services. InVideo isn't just a video creator, it's a business building machine. Ultimately, InVideo breaks down the walls of video production. It empowers anyone with a good idea, the writer, the marketer, the teacher, the entrepreneur, to become a video creator. It levels the playing field, turning your creative concepts into tangible, monetizable assets instantly. Freelancers are using ChatGPT with Notion AI to write blogs, newsletters, and ebooks that generate income every day, passively. Coming in at number 3 is a tool that feels like pure magic for any creator drowning in editing work. It's called Opus Clip, and its core promise is simple. It automatically turns your long-form content into a stream of viral short clips. We all know the grind. You spend hours creating an amazing long-form video, but then comes the second mountain, chopping it up for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. It's a tedious process that burns out even the most dedicated creators. Opus Clip was built to completely demolish that mountain. So how does it work? This isn't a simple trimmer. Opus Clip uses a sophisticated AI that analyzes your entire video, understanding context to identify the most compelling hooks and shareable moments. It's like having a world-class social media editor on your team, working at lightning speed. The AI performs video curation, assigning a virality score to each potential clip to predict its success, letting you instantly see which segments have the highest potential. It also features dynamic reframing, keeping the speaker perfectly centered, and auto-generates animated captions with emojis to boost engagement. It's a complete short-form video solution. Now let's talk about what really matters. If you run a channel or edit for clients, this means money on autopilot. Think about it. Every long-form video you've made is a goldmine of untapped content. Instead of posting one video, you can feed it into Opus Clip and generate 10, 15, even 20 high-quality short clips. Each clip is a new lottery ticket for the algorithm, a new chance to reach a massive audience, and a new funnel to your main channel or products. You're not just saving time, you're creating a content multiplication machine that works 24/7. Imagine a podcaster with an interview show. Before, she'd spend a full day editing 2 or 3 clips. Now, she uploads the file to Opus Clip, and by the time she's back from making coffee, she has a dozen perfectly edited, captioned, and scored clips ready to go. She can schedule them for the week in under 30 minutes. To get results like this, here are a few tips. First, always feed the AI your highest quality content. The better the source, the better the clips. Second, use the virality score as your guide. And third, use their brand template feature. This isn't just for solo creators. If you're a freelance video editor or run an agency, Opus Clip is a business accelerator. You can offer short-form video packages to clients at a fraction of the time it would normally take. This allows you to take on double or triple the number of clients without hiring more staff, transforming your service into a scalable, high-margin powerhouse. Ultimately, Opus Clip changes the entire content creation equation. It shifts your focus from the tedious task of manual editing to the high-impact strategy of distribution and community engagement. It's your unfair advantage in the attention economy, a tool that lets you dominate the short-form landscape while reclaiming your most valuable asset, your time. It's not just an AI editor, it's a growth engine on autopilot. Sell AI-generated art, posters, and even print-on-demand clothing with these visual AI tools. Use Etsy, Redbubble, or Shopify. Automate services or digital products. Every time someone pays through Stripe, Zapier delivers the product without you lifting a finger. If you're not using at least one of these, you're leaving money on the table. Follow for more AI hustles.